So dear cadets, what is the objective of doing discussion or engage yourself in the discussion round before the interview purposes? As you people know that you'll have to face your interview. The interview may last for around 30 minutes. So even in that scenario, if your power of expression is not good, if you're not so flexible, so comfortable to speak up your points, so you can't survive even for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So before the interview round, if you are having the purposes of group discussions, lecture type of sections, and even communication with your friends, so you can feel very comfortable to face the interview board for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Clear? The next important thing is that whatsoever the content you have, you may feel that the contents are very good, but when you just engage yourself in the discussion, so you may get some important points and some conclusive point for the discussion part, so that upgrade the level of confidence as well as the point that you have. And finally, the eye contact, which even I perceive that many of the candidates in the initial stage of the interview, they do not maintain eye contacts, and in the discussion type of round, so you interact with your friends and even eyeball movements are there, and you interacted with your friends and just maintain it. So it is a kind of uplifting the quality component. I say even it is a kind of physical component. So there are two components for the interview: physical components and abstract components. So when we talk about physical components, so eyeball movements, sitting postures, mannerism, these are the physical components. Abstract components are the knowledge part. So it is the only round through which you are going to gain abstract as well as the physical components. Clear? So the caption is liquor should be completely prohibited in the country. So in that respect, what I expect that you are going to speak up about the point, what are the pros and cons of consuming liquor that you can convince your group. So please start from this side.
Gentlemen, I don't think that it should be completely banned, because we have seen in other countries as well. United States tried in 1920s and 1930s, but they failed it.
Because of in high altitude and high latitude region, liquor is so much important because of there are many good advantages for health. But in the normal region, they become a matter of quarrel from the household and also in the education sector. So I think ban is required, but completely ban is not required.
Of liquor prohibition, I would go with the there are less advantage on prohibiting the liquor, as the person who is consuming liquor faces many health problems as well as the financial problems, which could deteriorate their household situation. He sometimes uses domestic violence because not in conscious because of the liquor consumption. Therefore it should be prohibited. And if we talk about the crime rates, the state which are having liquors also has at night crimes more because of.
In my opinion, liquor should not be banned. It should not be prohibited completely, as it should be left as the matter of choice to people. Even if we can see the example of Bihar, where it has been totally prohibited, we see that there has been a lot of bribery cases leaded after that.
That's correct.
In my opinion, liquor should be completely prohibited, because the people who drink liquor, they commit crimes, many crimes in their subconscious mind, because and it is also a kind of waste of money for that. We have seen that.
Gentlemen, in my opinion, completely prohibition of the alcohol is not the correct way to relief from the crime, because we all know some people are also consumed for their health benefit, and on the behalf of the consumption of and crime rate increases due to the alcohol.
Completely prohibition of the liquor is not essential, because we have seen that there are many states in our country that are the people of that country, that state is completely dependent on that because of the cold there. And I think liquor has a huge amount of revenue for our country, but it should be banned in those states like Bihar, where literacy rate is quite low.